7 months in jail. One secret photo. And a 97-year-old woman who never knew she was being watched. This is a case that has shaken many families in Singapore and raised serious questions about trust inside our own homes. In July last year, a 34-year-old foreign domestic helper was caring for her employer's elderly mother, a woman who was already frail and needed help with daily activities. While assisting her in the bathroom, the helper took out her mobile phone and secretly snapped a photo of the elderly woman while she was unclothed. The victim did not know. She did not consent. She had no way to protect herself. That image was later sent out of Singapore to the helper's husband overseas. After sending it, the helper deleted the photo from her phone, likely believing the act would never be discovered. But the damage had already been done. Months later, the employer's family began receiving disturbing messages from unknown numbers. Some of these messages contained the same image. Others appeared to pressure or emotionally manipulate the family, linking the messages to the helper's job situation. Alarmed and distressed, the family went to the police. Investigations traced the image back to the domestic helper. She was arrested and charged. In court, she pleaded guilty to voyeurism and to sharing an intimate image without consent. The court heard that the victim was 97 years old, extremely vulnerable, and that the offense took place in what should have been the safest space for her, her own bathroom. The judge made it clear that this was a serious breach of trust. Domestic helpers are often placed in homes to care for the young, the sick, and the elderly. With that role comes responsibility, and when that trust is broken, the harm goes far beyond one single act. The helper was sentenced to 7 months in jail. A gag order was also imposed to protect the identity of the elderly victim, ensuring her dignity would not be further violated. This case leaves many families uneasy. When we open our homes and depend on others for care, how do we balance trust with safeguards, especially for those who cannot speak up for themselves? If you think stories like this matter and should be discussed openly, remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 so we can keep these important conversations going.